Good morning, welcome to Planet Mojo. Today I need to get another temporary horse fence from right in here somewhere, one of these T-posts right here, all the way down to somewhere right around that cedar down there. I also need to get the permanent posts in here. Well, semi-permanent. Ooh, the horse is sleeping down there. Both of them. Oh, that's too bad. I gotta wake them up. Pounding T-posts in. But I'll be a little quiet here. I need to get a line of T-posts right through here. Do my permanent connection on the post over there to the electrical that I left sitting there when I put the electrical in, and get rid of these buckets and put permanent posts back in here for the winter. The other fence that I'm putting in here, I'm going to open up this fence and then continue it over that way and then restring the front posts. That's just because we have a good amount of grass down in the northern part, the northwest part of the pasture here, and the horses need to bite that down before winter. And for this fence, I'll be using the Man Saver, which is, I'm not going to be able to get that with one hand. It's a pneumatic pounder. So I have my generator and a little compressor in the back of the gator, and I'll be using that to pound the posts in. The only real reason for that is because there's a lot of them, and the ones in the dry lot will be going through a lot of rock, and this will pound it right through a rock. I'm going from this post here way down to that post just to the left of the horses. I'm keeping this out of where they're going to be eating because they'll just stand right here and eat this grass until they kill it. They need to get down here and eat some of this nice long stuff, and in the back as well. So from this post down to the left of where Mr. Mark is laying down. So I got to run the wheel measure and see how many posts and mark the location. Well, there's only 4 T-posts here, so I think I'm going to do this by hand. I don't want to go through all this, running a hose and all that stuff. It's easy enough to just pound them by hand, but I will use this setup for the ones in the dry lot there because they're just so hard to pound. So I'm going to grab a couple T-posts, got a pile of them right there, and the pounder, and go get these pounded in. to turn off the fence and get some T-posts and start pounding with the man saver. Okay. I don't know where the hell she's down there. My wife's down there fixing the back part of the fence. It must have came down or something, but anyways, she's gonna string this line up here, and I'm going to get the T-post back in here. There was T-posts in here, but we took them out so that we could have this smoothed out and have the big piles of poo removed earlier this year. But now they need to get back in here for winter, and I'm going to use this to do it. Compressor, generator, airline, and my man saver. Well, the generator would not start, so I had to plug in over here. I should be able to, well, I have an extension cord over here, so I should be fine here. It really sucks that that generator didn't start. But now I just gotta hook up my man saver and pound in some posts. The horses know exactly what's going on. Mark is standing right where the opening's going to be. Just waiting for my wife to get over there and get that last piece on so he can run out there. Hopefully I see it going on and I'll try to video it. Okay, we're about to open it up and let these two onto fresh pasture. All right, here we go. Yeah, they're going to check and see if there's fence over there. Not quite as dramatic as springtime, but they're still pretty damn happy. Okay, back to the T-posts. Well, that'll about do it. I'm going to go down there and yank that T-post and put it between these two. We changed where we want it to go. There's a bit of grass in here that they can eat as well. And then I'm going to go pull the rest of those T-posts and get out of here and have some lunch. If you like the videos, please subscribe and click on the update button so that you receive notice when we upload new videos. Thanks for watching and have a great day.